The 500W portable power station, also known as the solar generator with a 519.48Wh lithium battery, presents itself as a versatile solution for individuals seeking reliable power on the go. This device is designed to cater to a variety of needs, whether for outdoor adventures, emergency backup, or everyday use. To begin with, the power station features a robust lithium battery with a capacity of 519.48 watt-hours. This capacity allows it to support multiple devices simultaneously. With a continuous output of 500 watts and a peak output of 1000 watts, it is capable of handling everything from small appliances to essential electronics, making it suitable for camping trips, tailgating, or even for use at home during power outages. One notable aspect of this power station is its array of output options. It includes multiple AC outlets, USB ports, and a carport, providing flexibility in how you charge or power your devices. This diverse range of outputs means users can connect everything from smartphones and laptops to small kitchen appliances. Additionally, this power station can be charged through various methods, including AC wall outlets, car chargers, and solar panels. This versatility makes it an appealing choice for those who prefer renewable energy sources, especially during outdoor activities. In terms of design, the power station is relatively compact and lightweight, which enhances its portability. Weighing in at around 13.6 pounds, it is easily transportable and can fit comfortably in a car trunk or be carried on a camping trip. The built-in handle adds to the convenience, allowing for easy maneuverability. When it comes to usage, the 500W portable power station operates with a user-friendly interface. The LED display provides real-time information about battery status, input, and output, enabling users to monitor their power consumption efficiently. This feature is particularly helpful for those who may not be familiar with electrical devices. In conclusion, the 500W portable power station stands out as a practical option for individuals seeking a portable energy solution. With its impressive battery capacity, variety of output options, and efficient design, it can cater to a range of power needs. Whether for recreational purposes or as a backup option, this device offers a comprehensive power solution that is both functional and convenient.